How to check if string input is a number? How do I check if a user string input is a number, for example -1, 0, 1, etc.? The above won't work since input always returns a string.
Simply try converting it to an int and then bailing out if it doesn't work. See handling exceptions in the official tutorial.
Apparently this will not work for negative values, but it will for positive numbers. Use isdigit.
The method isNumeric will do the job. But remember, isNumeric returns true if all characters in the string are numeric characters, and there is at least one character. So negative numbers are not accepted.
For Python 3 the following will work.
Password.